What's going on, everybody? All right, so I would like to try and turn this into I want to rebuild it and use it for home theater. I was going to use one of the 18s over there, and then this one's still good. This one has a more current recone from DC Audio in it, so the coil don't bottom out as easy. But it's a plain dust cap. I know it's dusty. There's an M38 that needs to be rebuilt. There's one of the 18s. There's some more parts. Anywho, so this is one of the original level 110s I bought a couple years ago. It's probably been close to 5 years now. Yeah, at least 5 years. These sound pretty good in a ported box, but they really suck in a sealed, or if it's below 50 degrees outside. The rubber that DC Audio uses is terrible for compliance. It's very slow to react. You really have to power these really hard to get them moving. So tonight I'll have a short video. I'm going to gut this thing, and then I'll have a part 2 of how to measure the spider landing and the voice coil gap, and then we'll go on loaderbase.com and order some new parts. And we'll do a foam surround and maybe a carbon cap, another cone, and probably do flat spiders, flat linear spiders. Probably do 2 of them. And we'll do probably a dual tube voice coil. I see that they have, this is a 2-inch coil that's in these level 1s, so I see that Loaderbase does have in stock for like, I think it's like 20 bucks, the biflar coil. I think it's a 4-layer, dual 2-ohm or single 4. I don't remember what I want to put in this. So, because most home theater amps are 4-ohm stable, so. Gut this thing. All right. I'm sure this coil is probably fried. Seems like she's about to jump the gap. Fold her in on each other. Hi, puppies. So, oh yeah. She had some good burning. Starting to clip pretty hard there. These were all a pretty copper color. I don't remember if these are copper or aluminum, or CCA, whatever, or actual copper. I think the one that I was looking at was an actual copper coil. So this is not very tall. There's a gap down in there. See if I can take the basket off. Then we'll take the grinder to the spider landing and to the surface for the surround. Go on, Athena. Then we'll do some measurements with the micrometer or a set of calipers, whatever. And we're gonna rebuild this thing to have a nice compliant suspension. Hopefully it'll sound really good in I'm thinking maybe 1.5 to 2 cubic foot sealed box for a downfiring configuration. Yeah, so stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna set up the camera at work, and then we'll do some measurements. Later, guys.